Happy Diwali. My favorite part of Diwali is actually the lead up to Diwali. It's all the cleaning and all the other preparation that we do before the actual day. And that's exactly what it is. It's preparing ourselves to light all the lamps and experience the joy of Ramchandraji returning. And so that preparation of cleaning is actually reflected in our scriptures. The scriptures explain to us too that it's a twofold process, that the first we have to clean ourselves, and then one, are we truly able to experience the grace that's there in our lives? And two, then we become qualified to receive this knowledge. So grace is always there, but until the mind's ready to see it and experience it and appreciate it, we don't. Knowledge is also already there, but until the mind's qualified, it doesn't quite click in the same way. The preparation is very necessary in us to clean our mind. What that translates to is having good intentions and having selfless actions and having speech which is constructive and encouraging to other people. And when we're preparing for Diwali, actually it's very physically cleaning, right? We take out the drawers and we empty it and we throw away things, or we just clean it out and put it back in. But there's a beautiful correlation between outside and inside. And so in that process of cleaning out every cupboard and every drawer, what we end up doing is learning and reflecting and also cleaning out inside. Sometimes we open up a drawer and we see that something's there and we think, oh, I needed this earlier this year and I didn't even remember that I had it, and I went out and bought it. And then I realized, well, when I need something, I'm able to get it. So why to keep it? Why store and accumulate unnecessarily? And so without us even realizing it, that reiterates that faith in us that when I need something, I'll get it. I don't have to hold on to, I don't have to cling, I don't have to have fear. Sometimes we open a drawer and we look and something's spoiled. It's been lying there for too long and now it's not useful to me. And unfortunately, it's not useful to anyone else either. If I had given it away, somebody else may have benefited from it. And so that awakening within us that there is always so much, and I'm not going to use everything, so let other people use it as well. Slowly, these kind of revelations make us clean in our understanding, clean in our attitude and in our intentions and actions. The cleaning part of Diwali is actually what makes us ready for lighting the lamp. We know, we've heard it again and again, the lamp is knowledge. Light is what brings nobility and goodness and understanding and freedom into our lives. But that knowledge is only lit when we are prepared through the process of cleaning ourselves.